When the water in your hot tub is green, then start by checking the basics. First the pH level, and then the sanitizer level. In most cases, you'll find that at least one of these two is not correct. When the pH level is off, most sanitizers won't work properly. So set it between 7.2 and 7.6 and then correct the sanitizer value. Run the pumps for a bit and wait a little while. The problem will most likely be solved. At the right pH levels, don't be afraid to use a bit more sanitizer than usual, because there's probably some contamination that needs to be dealt with. If you want to make hot tub water soft, clear, and natural, and water maintenance easy, then try O-Care Weekly Spa Care, and let us help you fix your water maintenance problem by downloading our free O-Care app.